Hello, welcome. Welcome to Bella Bean's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a very simple but very delicious pressure cooker cooked ribs recipe. The main material for this plate are pork back ribs and garlic, and the other ingredients are shown on this photo. First step, we put the spices, Sichuan peppercorn and star anise in the container, and the cinnamon sticks we don't need to put into the container because it's a big piece. Next step, we cut the pork back ribs into small pieces. And then we trim the fat on the ribs. If you don't mind to eat a little bit of fat, then you can skip this step. But for me, I don't like any fat, so I remove them. Next step, we use a big container, then use clean cold water to clean the ribs. Use the hand, rub the ribs. And then we need rinse, use clean water for 2 times. Now, the ribs are very clean. We take them out and put them into the plate. Next, we cut the ginger into thin slices and cut the green onion white part into small segments. Then set them aside. Next, we add 1.5 liter of cold water into the pressure cooker. Then add in the ribs. And then turn the heat to medium heat. Stir to make sure all the ribs are soaked in the water. Skim off the scum when there are some scums come out. Stir the ribs, then make sure the scum drop off from the ribs. Now, no scum come out. Then we take out the ribs. Next, we dump the liquid in the pressure cooker, then move back the cooker, then add in the ribs, then add in the boiling water. The amount of the boiling water is just above the pork ribs. Then we add in the spicy container, add in green onions and gingers, add in the cinnamon sticks, add in cooking wine, add in light soy sauce, add in salt, stir to mix everything well, then cover it. We count the time from the steam come out from the top well. After 10 minutes, we turn off the heat. Next, we use this garlic masher to mash the garlic. When the mashed garlic is ready, we put in a pinch of salt and press the garlic with salt together. When the garlic is a little sticky, add in a teaspoon and 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Stir to mix everything well. Set it aside. Now, the pressure cooker is already. Take off for 5 minutes. It's cool down a little bit. Then we can open the cover to see how the ribs. Take out 2 to check if the meat are well cooked. Wow, the meat are very softer. Looks delicious. Nice texture. You can also use a slow cooker to use the same recipe to cook pork ribs. Just put a little less of boiling water and cook about 3 hours. I put a little bit green onion leaves on the top of the pork ribs. Now I'm ready to eat my lunch. First, let me try the ribs. Take one piece and use a little bit garlic sauce. Then I eat the rib meat with the garlic sauce together. Wow, the taste is really delicious. It's a fantastic taste. Nothing can stop me to eat these ribs. How do you like this recipe? I wish you could try. This recipe is so easy. I can call it recipe for lazy boy or recipe for lazy girl. Total prepare and cooking time is just about 20 minutes. You never imagine how tasty it is. Could you please to try and let me know how do you like it? Like my recipe, don't forget to click subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you never miss any of my recipes. Thank you very much for your watching. See you next time.